Fish here, which is the tuna, and with the scales, and we also put the salt. So for today's video, we are going to preserve the fish by using the salting. So in salting, we have the two methods, which is the dry salting and the brine salting. So we are going to use the brine salting to preserve this fish. So
What do we need for brine salting?
we need a water.
Yes.
The next is we need a salt.
Salt.
How do you measure salt and water?
Where's the measuring spoon? None. Let's
So,
just
in
assume.
measuring in brining, you need. So the proportion is 1:3. So,
Yeah, 1 for salt and 3 for water. Okay?
Yes.
so let's assume this is 100 grams of salt,
And it is 3 cups of water.
3 cups of water.
So before we are going to proceed on the preservation, we must first clean our fish.
Yes, by removing its
Number
scale.
1 is removing the scales.
Remove the scales. Remove the scales. Yeah, you have to remove the scales first.
Yeah, the scales are fully removed. And then the next one is to cut the gills.
Cut the sharp edges. Go. Very good.
Number 3 is evaporating, which is you have to evaporate. You have to remove the
Gills.
gills or the bitoka.
Yes.
Internal organs.
Yeah.
There you
After
go.
that,
We have to rinse it. There you go. It's clean. And
And you slice it.
yeah.
This is actually this slide.
Yeah.
Now we will proceed to the proper brine solution. Now they will demonstrate.
Now we're going to demonstrate the brine salting method. So we need salt and water. So we mix salt and water to make a solution.
It's water.
May water na po yun.
And then
We put the fishes.
fish lang. Go fishes. Cover it. Then we cover it. And then we keep it in a
Freeze it or put it in the refrigerator or the freezer.
Then you have it.
Yay!